What's up, guys? Today, I want to talk about one of the least talked about, but in my opinion, most important parts of crypto, and that's actually using it. Terra, the blockchain that produces UST, has several ways for you to get and spend UST easily. Today, I'm going to tell you about the top 4 ways I know of to on and off ramp, plus spend your UST. Before we get into the list, there are 2 terms you're going to need to know. First is on-ramp. This is a platform where a user can convert their fiat to cryptocurrencies. Now, an off-ramp is a platform where a user can convert their cryptocurrencies back to fiat. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's talk about Kado Money. Kado is a suite of products and services aimed at reducing the friction customers, businesses, and merchants face onboarding to crypto. Their first product, Kado Pay, is a marketplace where you can buy things online using UST. It's quite similar to Amazon in that it allows you to buy things from a range of different categories. It has a subscription service that comes with a bunch of benefits like discounts and free shipping, and it's available in the US. Kado Ramp is an on-ramp which allows you to convert fiat into UST in as little as 10 minutes. At present, they allow you to convert multiple currencies to UST, including US dollars, British pounds, and euros, to name a few. They charge a flat $2 transaction fee regardless of how large your transaction is. The only thing is at present, they don't have an off-ramp that I know of. Next, let's talk about Kash. Kash is a banking app that allows you to earn between 10 and 19% interest on your UST by leveraging Anchor Protocol. This app has an on and off ramp allowing you to go from UST to USD in your bank account. I just read in the Telegram while I was making this on April 17th, 2022, that the off ramp was temporarily disabled, but should be back up and running next month. If you're a member of the Discord or following me on Twitter, I'll keep you posted. On their version of the roadmap, they seem to have plans to expand to multiple countries in the Americas and in Europe. One thing to keep in mind is that users of their savings account only receive the maximum anchor rate if they don't move any funds out of the account. If they withdraw even a penny, the rate drops down to 10%, and I don't think that there's a way to have it increased again. Alice Finance is a banking app that allows you to earn interest from Anchor without restriction. It has at present the best and cheapest on and off ramp available. When depositing, there are no fees and instant deposits on amounts up to $500 each day. Amounts over $500 can take up to 10 business days though. When you off ramp, they no longer charge an Alice fee, but they don't cover the transaction and swap fees like they do when you on ramp. They also have a debit card coming, so you will be able to spend your UST while you're out and about without having to first convert it back to USD. Last but not least, we have to talk about Outlet Finance, which is a banking app that wants to be similar to a traditional bank that allows you to leverage crypto yields. They are technically not integrated with Terra yet. However, they have an upcoming upgrade to allow them to integrate with the Terra network on their existing app that currently uses USDC. One of the more interesting things about Outlet is that once this upgrade is implemented, you will get an account and routing number so you can direct deposit into the account and all the funds will be automatically converted to UST and earning the current Anchor interest rate. Outlet has already released their debit card that will allow you to spend your UST without needing to manually convert it back to fiat. And the CEO has hinted at potentially creating a credit card service as well. That's it for this one, guys. Let me know if you know of any other ways you can spend your UST down in the comments or in the Discord. I will see you guys in the next video. And as always, we can keep talking about getting more coins.